So I haven't done a VIM video in a long time, so I decided to create this VIM trick video where I'm going through some features in VIM that I found helpful when you're programming especially. So let's get started. First one is selecting the previous selection. First of all, I will select 3 lines and copy that. Let's say I want to copy the same 3 lines again. I can hit GV. Wait, actually I need to start screen key, otherwise you won't see what I'm doing. Okay, here we go. Now I'm gonna select these lines, hit Y. Let's say I want to copy the same thing again, or not copy. To select the same thing again, I can hit GV. There you go. So the second trick is to search the word under the cursor. Right now I'm on node module builder word. Now if I hit asterisk, I can search forward. If I want to search backward, I can hit, what is that, hash, or whatever you call it. So that's how you search a word under the cursor. Let's jump right into third trick. Let's say I want to repeat this last action. I can hit dot. For example, I will change this logo to capital letters. I will select the word and hit capital U. That will change the logo to capital letters. I will now navigate to the second line and I'm going to hit dot. You can see it. So that way you can repeat the same action again and again. I'll change this back to, for example, I will see E to remove that word and I will type logo again. I can do that same set of actions by hitting dot again, like that. Super easy. So this is the fourth trick that I found really useful when I'm programming especially. For that I will create a variable and I will assign a number. Let's say I want to increase the value. You have to be in the line and hit Ctrl A. You can see it's increasing the number by 1. I can hit Ctrl X to divide the number by 1. I can go also negative. So just like that. Our last trick, I will do a search and replace for this node module builder word. Let's say I want to replace this word with just builder. What I usually would do is I hit capital, sorry, a colon, then percentage mark S, then I will type the word, right? Node module builder or whatever. But if you're on the, if the cursor is on the word, what you can do is you can type colon, sorry, colon percentage mark S, then you can hit Ctrl R and Ctrl W. That will paste the word the cursor is on, just like that. Then let's say I want to replace it, the words to builder, just builder. Then I will do a global search and replace. So hit enter. That will do the job. So just like that, super easy. So those are few Vim tricks I found really helpful. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.